If you want something polished up to a mirror finish, you need a machine with a stack of grunt, and the ToolPRO rotary car polisher is exactly that machine. Built around an ultra-reliable 240-volt motor, this polisher delivers 1200 watts of consistent power across a variable speed range from 600 to 3300 RPM. All those numbers add up to a lot of polishing, and even a little sanding if you want. So to help you deliver the power to your panels without compromising controllability, the ToolPRO car polisher features a sturdy handle with an auxiliary handle and is operated by a trigger with lock function. The push-button spindle lock makes changing pads an absolute breeze, and the safety cut-off switch prevents you from polishing yourself when you do it. Once you've applied a pad to the machine and some polish to your pad, following the requirements of your polish manufacturer of course, then simply set the dial to the speed you need and get started. Let the polisher do all the work. Your job is simply to guide it around and let it know when to stop. If you're worried that all that polishing power might wear out the brushes in the motor, then the easy access port and spare brushes should help ease your mind. That and the ToolPRO 3-year warranty. For maximum polishing with minimum fuss, pick the ToolPRO 1200-watt rotary car polisher, online or in store from Supercheap Auto, and add it to your power tool arsenal today.